I got the red ring on my Xbox 360. The error code is 0023. I'm trying to reset it to see if that clears it. I got 2 Q-tips in the back to hold the fans from moving. Once it resets, it'll show 2 red lights. Then I'll let it cool for a half hour and we'll see what happens. Alright, so the Xbox just overheated. That means it reset. I got everything unplugged. We'll let it cool for a half hour and then I'll plug it in and see how it goes. It's been a half hour since it reset. I got my hard drive back in place. Got all my cables back in place. Let's see if it's fixed. No more red ring. Good to go. The error I had was 0023. I did an overheat reset and that fixed it.